This is Mia with WTI. Two of the most difficult things to deal with when it comes to makeup is A, storing it, and B, traveling with it. Well, this makeup bag takes care of both those problems because it can hold a lot of makeup. It stores the makeup in a very nice and organized way, and when the bag is all closed up, it becomes an easily packable rectangular shape. It is truly incredible just how much makeup fits in this bag and just how pretty the bag itself is. This bag is so nice because it can be stored in a drawer, it's perfect when you're on the go, and it can be easily packed in bags big or bags small. This makeup bag is truly the total package of makeup bags. It checks all the boxes it should. First of all, it holds a lot of makeup. There is a lot of makeup in here and I can still put more in. Second of all, it is a very nice size and shape that makes it very easy to pack. And third, it's pretty. I would definitely recommend this makeup bag to anyone, and that is my point of view.